everyone, welcome back to our new video. So let's say you customized your car icon in Waze on your phone, but when you connect to Android Auto it's totally gone, replaced by the default blue arrow. This is a total known bug, so here is how to get your personalized car icon back, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So this tutorial is totally about how to fix the missing car icon on Android Auto. If none of you actually read the title. So how? Pretty easy. Search the icon on your phone before even connection. This is the key step. Disconnect from Android Auto first, then open Waze on your phone. Go to the settings. As you see here, we have many options: general, map display, voice and sound. For today, we're gonna go ahead through map display. So as you see here, we have the dark mode, map view, keep map north top, auto zoom, and all of this. It's time now to choose your preferred icon and only then reconnect your reconnect your phone to the car, which shows the custom icon in Android Auto as long as you configure it before connection. So for example here, I'm gonna go ahead, turn on dark mode. You can also put it same as phone settings, then tap apply to car display. So if you tap on apply to car display, your option is gonna go and sign or sync with your phone, and that's the main idea that you want. You can even select a different icon, then reselect your preference. Make sure you are using the same icon on all devices, and that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.